In a world where technology has become an essential part of our daily lives, the demand for high-performance computing devices has never been greater. We're constantly juggling multiple tasks from work to entertainment, and our laptops play a crucial role in keeping us on top of things. However, with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to find one that meets our needs and exceeds our expectations. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to the Lenovo IdeaPad 315, 6-inch FHD IPS touchscreen laptop, powered by the Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor. This device is not just another addition to the market. It's designed to tackle complex tasks, provide smooth multitasking, and offer an immersive experience that's hard to match. Let's delve into the world of this exceptional laptop and see what makes it stand out. When I first laid eyes on the IdeaPad 3, I was impressed by its sleek design and solid build quality. The device exudes a sense of professionalism, making it perfect for business meetings or presentations. The 6-inch FHD IPS touchscreen display is a marvel, boasting vibrant colors, wide viewing angles, and responsive multi-touch control. The 300 nit brightness is more than sufficient for indoor use, and I was pleased to find that the display remains legible even in bright environments. The touchscreen interface is highly intuitive, allowing you to navigate and interact with your content seamlessly. From scrolling through documents to browsing the web, the IdeaPad 3's touchscreen makes every experience feel more engaging. Plus, with its 10-point multi-touch support, you can use gestures to zoom in, zoom out, and swipe between applications with ease. Now, let's talk about the processor, the Intel Core i3-1115G4. This powerful chip provides a significant boost in performance, making it an excellent choice for handling demanding tasks like video editing, 3D modeling, and data analysis. Coupled with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, the IdeaPad 3 ensures that even the most resource-intensive applications run smoothly, without lag or slowdown. I was pleased to see the laptop handle multiple browser tabs, streaming services, and productivity software with ease, making it an excellent companion for daily productivity and entertainment. When it comes to storage, the IdeaPad 3 offers a generous 3 terabytes of storage, divided between a 2 terabytes SSD and a 1 terabyte docking station set. This provides ample space for storing your files, documents, and multimedia content. The SSD also ensures rapid loading times, making it perfect for applications, games, and multimedia content that rely on quick access to data. Additionally, the docking station set offers an alternative means of storage, perfect for users who work with external hard drives or require additional storage capacity. The Intel UHD graphics integrated into the Core i3-1115G4 processor deliver impressive visuals, allowing you to enjoy seamless video playback, stunning visuals in games, and crisp graphics in everyday applications. I noticed a significant difference in graphics performance compared to lower-end devices, making the IdeaPad 3 an excellent choice for gamers and multimedia enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the IdeaPad 3 is its HD 720p webcam. Located at the top of the display, this camera offers high-quality video and a wide field of view, perfect for video conferencing, streaming, or making hands-free calls. The webcam is also surprisingly sharp and detailed, making it ideal for capturing high-quality selfies and recording video content. During my real-world testing, I put the IdeaPad 3 through its paces from editing videos to creating 3D models and playing resource-intensive games. I was impressed by its ability to handle demanding tasks with ease, its ability to multitask, and its seamless video playback. While it's not the most powerful device out there, it excels in its target market, offering an unparalleled combination of performance, storage, and features. Of course, no product is perfect, and the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 is not immune to its own set of limitations. One of the notable drawbacks is the limited battery life, which clocks in around 5 to 6 hours on a single charge. While this is not unusual for a laptop in this class, it might be a concern for users who need to work on the go or use the devices with longer battery life. Another point of contention is the display's relatively low color accuracy and limited color gamut. While it's more than sufficient for everyday use, it might not be the best choice for graphic designers, photographers, or other professionals who rely on accurate color representation. When compared to competing options, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 stands out for its exceptional value proposition. It offers a unique combination of performance, storage, and features that make it an attractive option for users who need a versatile device that can handle demanding tasks. The device also benefits from its robust construction, excellent display, and long-lasting battery. In conclusion, the Lenovo IdeaPad 315 6-inch FHD IPS touchscreen laptop is an exceptional device that offers an unparalleled combination of performance, storage, and features. While it may not be the most powerful device out there, it's designed to tackle complex tasks, provide smooth multitasking, and offer an immersive experience that's hard to match. If you're in the market for a reliable, feature-rich computing device, I highly recommend considering the IdeaPad 3.